In this video, you're going to learn exactly how to reverse skin pigmentation and anti-aging naturally after 60 without harsh chemicals or expensive treatments. These are the same evidence-based methods we've used with hundreds of seniors. And they're backed by real clinical research on skin regeneration, mineral absorption, and gut health. One woman, at age 68, saw a visible transformation in just 20 days using these principles: no pills, no serums. And today, you'll also discover one of the biggest skincare myths seniors fall for. A so-called anti-aging cream that may actually worsen pigmentation, and the exact 3 minerals your skin is probably starving for right now. Did you know that more than 70% of people over the age of 60 have visible signs of skin pigmentation problems like dark spots, uneven skin tone, or age spots? This isn't just a guess, it's backed by a 2022 study from the National Institutes of Health, NIH. But here's the real issue. While millions of seniors deal with these skin changes, very few are ever checked for what's really causing them inside the body. Instead of asking, why is this happening? Most doctors and skin specialists simply label it as normal aging or sun damage and move on. But that kind of thinking can be dangerous. Because when we only focus on how the skin looks on the outside, we miss the early signs of what could be going wrong inside. Like vitamin and mineral deficiencies, hormone imbalances, liver stress, or poor digestion. Your skin is not just a surface, it's like a warning light on your car dashboard. When something's off inside, your skin may be the first place to show it. But if we ignore those signs or treat them with just creams and cosmetics, we miss the chance to fix the actual problem. Over time, what could have been healed or reversed naturally with the right nutrition and lifestyle changes becomes something we just accept even though we don't have to. That's why this topic is so important. Your skin is not just about beauty, it's about health. And understanding what it's really telling you could help you not only look better but feel better and live longer. Skin problems like pigmentation, age spots, and discoloration aren't just skin deep. They're often the end result of a long chain reaction happening inside the body, usually starting with inflammation, poor digestion, or an overburdened liver. One of the most overlooked truths in dermatology and integrative health is this. The skin is a reflection, not an origin. For example, when your liver struggles to filter toxins, or your gut has difficulty absorbing nutrients like zinc and copper, your body starts sending out visible signs. Pigmentation may be one of them. This isn't just theory. Studies in functional medicine have repeatedly shown that nutrient deficiencies, hormonal imbalances, and oxidative stress can directly affect how your skin ages and repairs itself. Many people treat pigmentation like a surface issue. They apply brightening creams, lasers, or peels. But what they don't realize is that those treatments are like painting over a crack in the wall without fixing the foundation. The problem will keep coming back and sometimes get worse until the root cause is addressed. To truly understand why your skin changes as you age and, more importantly, how to reverse it, you have to see the invisible chain reaction that happens deep inside your body. It's a powerful loop between your liver, your diet, and the minerals that support skin renewal. Your liver is like your body's master filter. It processes toxins, regulates hormones, and plays a key role in breaking down nutrients. But as we age, and especially after 60, the liver may become sluggish due to years of exposure to processed foods, medications, alcohol, or even chronic stress. And when the liver struggles, it can't efficiently remove waste or activate certain vitamins and minerals, both of which are vital for healthy, vibrant skin. Then there's your diet. Even if you think you're eating healthy, if your food is lacking in essential skin-supporting minerals like zinc, magnesium, or copper, your skin doesn't get what it needs to repair itself. These minerals aren't just good for you. They're part of the biological machinery that controls cell regeneration, pigment production, and inflammation regulation. Let me give you a real-life example. Years ago, I worked with a woman named Diana, who was 68 at the time. Sharp-minded and determined, but visibly frustrated. She had dark spots across her cheeks and forehead that just wouldn't fade. She'd tried it all: expensive serums, dermatologist visits, layers of concealer, but nothing worked. She was constantly told the same thing: it's just aging, or probably sun damage. But Diana knew something wasn't right. She didn't feel like herself. So, we looked deeper. We ran tests, analyzed her nutrient levels, her gut health, and her sleep patterns. What we found told a different story. Her zinc levels were extremely low, her liver enzymes were off, and she suffered from poor sleep and chronic fatigue. Instead of prescribing another cream, we created a plan focused on restoring internal balance, starting with mineral-rich foods, liver-supporting herbs, and improving her nighttime routine. Within just a few weeks, Diana's skin started to brighten. Her energy improved. She smiled more. She told me, "I finally feel like myself again." This is why understanding the chain reaction is so important. Once you connect the dots between liver function, diet, and mineral balance, the mystery behind age spots and pigmentation fades and true, lasting skin renewal begins. As we grow older, something changes inside us that many people overlook. Our body's ability to absorb nutrients starts to decline. That means even if you're eating all the right food, salads, lean protein, fruits, or even taking supplements, your body might not be getting the full benefit from them. Why? Because the real magic happens in your digestive system, and when that system weakens, everything downstream suffers, including your skin. Your gut is the gateway. It's where every vitamin, mineral, and healing nutrient must pass through to reach your bloodstream. If your gut is inflamed, leaky, or overloaded, which becomes increasingly common with age, then your body can't absorb what it needs. Nutrients like zinc, magnesium, and copper, which are essential for skin repair and pigmentation balance, end up being poorly digested or lost altogether. Next comes the liver, your internal detox center. Once nutrients are absorbed, the liver is responsible for converting, activating, and distributing them throughout your body. It also helps filter out toxins, regulate hormones, and maintain skin-friendly balance. But if the liver is congested or underperforming, it creates a backlog in the system, which can show up as fatigue, inflammation, and yes, pigmentation issues or dull, uneven skin tone. So, even if your plate looks perfect, your body might still be underfed at the cellular level. That's why so many older adults feel frustrated. They're doing everything right, but their skin still looks tired or damaged. The real issue often isn't what you're eating, it's how well your body is processing it. Supporting your digestion and liver health isn't just good for your gut, it's a game changer for your skin. It's the link between nourishment and renewal that too many people miss. Sometimes, the biggest changes come from the simplest habits, and that's exactly the idea behind this realistic, 20-day skin reset. This isn't about harsh detoxes, complicated meal plans, or spending hours in front of the mirror. It's about consistency, simplicity, and giving your body and your skin the space it needs to naturally restore itself from the inside out. Step 1. Let your skin breathe. For the next 20 days, pause your chemical-laden face products. That means no synthetic cleansers, serums, or heavy creams. Instead, switch to gentle, natural alternatives like cold raw milk for cleansing, or aloe vera gel for calming. These allow your skin's natural barrier to recover and reset. Why? Because many commercial skincare products, even expensive ones, contain preservatives and fragrances that can irritate aging skin and interfere with its ability to heal. Step 2. Start your morning with warm lemon water. Before anything else in the morning, even before coffee, drink a cup of warm water with fresh lemon juice. This simple practice supports liver detox, jump-starts digestion, and alkalizes your system. Over time, it helps your body process nutrients more efficiently, which reflects directly on your skin. Step 3. Reduce added sugar. One of the biggest culprits behind premature aging and pigmentation is excess sugar. It triggers inflammation, disrupts collagen production, and throws off your mineral balance. During this reset, aim to cut out sugary drinks, packaged snacks, and hidden sugars in sauces or breads. Step 4. Boost your protein intake. Your skin needs protein to rebuild and repair. Without enough of it, your body can't maintain healthy skin tone or elasticity. Add clean protein sources like boiled eggs, lentils, Greek yogurt, or fish to your daily meals. Something as simple as replacing an evening biscuit with a glass of buttermilk or starting breakfast with a boiled egg can significantly improve your skin's texture and healing speed. Step 5. Focus on gut-friendly foods. Include fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, or sauerkraut, and fiber-rich fruits and vegetables. These support gut health, which in turn improves nutrient absorption, especially key minerals for skin repair. This 20-day routine is about more than just what you remove, it's about what you give your body the chance to do. Detox gently, absorb better, and finally start healing. You don't need perfection, just progress, day by day. Give your skin a break, and it will begin to show you what's possible. If you want to restore your skin's natural glow and reduce pigmentation after 60, it starts with one simple idea. Feed your skin the minerals it needs to thrive. Let's start with a few powerful, natural skincare habits that work in harmony with your body. Number 1. Let nature heal your skin. Skip the expensive face washes and chemical peels. Instead, wash your face with cold raw milk each morning. It's full of enzymes, fats, and proteins that gently cleanse, hydrate, and nourish mature skin without stripping it of its natural oils. For an added boost, try applying medicated ice cubes made from a blend of potato juice, milk, licorice extract, and lemon essential oil. This homemade remedy helps improve blood circulation, calm inflammation, and support pigment repair naturally over time. Now let's talk nutrition, because what you eat is just as important as what you apply. Many seniors suffer from silent deficiencies in essential minerals like zinc, copper, and magnesium. These minerals play a major role in skin health. Zinc helps with wound healing, reduces inflammation, and protects against sun damage. Copper supports the production of collagen and elastin, the proteins that keep skin firm and smooth. Magnesium calms the nervous system and helps your skin resist stress, redness, and early signs of aging. The right foods for mineral boost. To support glowing, healthy skin from within, begin including more of the following in your daily meals. Pumpkin seeds, a great source of zinc and magnesium. Lentils and chickpeas, rich in copper and plant-based protein. Leafy greens, like spinach and kale, which are loaded with magnesium. Seafood, especially oysters, salmon, and shrimp, packed with zinc and omega-3s. Dark chocolate, 70% or higher. A small piece can deliver a healthy dose of magnesium and antioxidants. Eating these foods regularly can replenish your body's mineral stores, improve skin texture, reduce pigmentation, and help your skin become more resilient over time. Fruits and skin health. Vitamin C-rich fruits such as berries, apples, and citrus play a key role in enhancing collagen production and promoting brighter, healthier skin. However, it's best to limit high-sugar fruits like grapes and mangoes, especially if your insulin sensitivity is reduced. For optimal benefits, aim for 2 servings of low-glycemic fruits per day, ideally combined with a source of protein to support balanced energy and nutrient absorption. Magnesium, sleep, and inflammation. Your body does its deepest healing while you sleep, and magnesium plays a crucial role in that process. It helps calm the nervous system, eases tension, and lowers inflammation during the night. Without enough magnesium, your body can stay in a constant state of low stress, which often shows up on your skin. To support better sleep and a healthier complexion, include magnesium-rich foods like leafy greens, seeds, and a small piece of dark chocolate in your daily routine. The risks of over-supplementing. More isn't always better, even when it comes to natural supplements. Taking too much zinc can interfere with copper absorption and lead to symptoms like fatigue, joint pain, or skin flare-ups. Similarly, excess magnesium can upset your digestion and throw your nutrient balance off. The safest approach is to focus on whole food sources, which the body absorbs more gently and in the right proportions. Spotting deficiencies without a test. You don't always need a lab test to know something's missing. Your body gives you clues. If you're experiencing a reduced sense of taste, muscle cramps, brittle nails, restless sleep, or slow healing wounds, these could be signs of deficiencies. Especially in zinc or magnesium. Don't dismiss these signals as just getting older. Often, they're your body's early way of asking for support. Real strength doesn't come from what you apply to your skin, it comes from what you rebuild within. When you focus on restoring internal balance, your body naturally remembers how to heal. Be patient, be consistent, and rebuild that trust with your body, one small habit at a time. If something in this video resonated with you, please share it with someone you love. And don't forget to subscribe. Each week we bring you stories, science, and strategies to help you age stronger, live brighter, and feel more at home in your skin.